So just come home, had more work done on the new car today. So today was tint, 18% all round, and a strip across the top of the windscreen, you can see here. We'll have a close look at that in a second. And the other one was my friend Michael at Fred Bella Tyres. Hooked me up some rims and some tyres. 33-inch Elites, 17 by 9 plus 15. So they're quite aggressive at the moment, as you can see here. There you go. Quite aggressive. So the hub offsets of the range is obviously different to Colorado. Colorado had 0 offset and probably would have, without flares, would have poked a bit less than this. Now ties us into the next thing I'm about to do. Flares. So these aren't huge ones. These should sort of pump it out about 30 mil, which should just about cover that poke. There's another alternative which is about 60 mil flares that are huge, like they're literally like come out way out there outside where the sidewall of the tyre is right now. Don't want huge flares, so bit of a subtle flare. It's called a slimline flare. Put them on and see how we go. So have a close look at the tint here. So another mate at Affordable Window Tinting did this for me. Strip across the top, and then 18% every window across the back. And it's already got privacy glass across the back, so back is super dark. Yeah, can't see through it. Very happy with it. You can tell straight away the drop in in-car temperature. Awesome. So yeah, we're going to have a close look at the car a bit later. I do apologise for the quality of the video and pictures for the time being. I had a Galaxy S10 Plus, which is a pretty good camera, but it died the other day, so I'm stepped back in time to the S8, which I hadn't used in about 4 years, and yeah, took a bit to get it going, but now we're going, and the video is not quite as good, but it'll do. Oh yeah, some other things that I did. Plates finally went on, and yeah, I don't know, I think we went through another video, the blackout of the chrome here and the side vents. I'm sorting out the handles because these have got that, you know, the touch unlock on the front doors on there, and I did order ones to suit and they sent me the wrong ones, so yeah, looks sweet. Look at it. You know, I'm always a bit of a tight ass with the wheels and tyres, but I like trying budget tyres and rims, so I'll do a bit of a review of this new setup here. But yeah, how sweet does it look? It looks sick. Anyway, that is all for now.